What's the number one problem that I've seen on literally thousands of Google Ads campaigns? I'm going to save you a ton of money. The fact that you are not tracking your calls and your leads. And this is like the number one issue. You should not launch a campaign where you're not tracking your conversions. And if you're in a lead gen business and you're trying to get calls, you're trying to get form fills, you need to track this. It's super simple. You don't need $500 worth of software. You just need to reach out to us at Inbound Revenue and go to our call and lead tracking service. And here's how it works. We're going to set you up with state-of-the-art call tracking software, up to 50 calls a month for just $29. We'll set it all up for you. If you give us access to your Google Ads account, we'll set up the conversion tracking to push those conversions back into your Google Ads, and you're going to know for sure that this stuff is finally working. It tells you everything on this page, what's included, what's not included. It's super simple. Get to this website, order it now, go to inboundrevenue.com, order this right away, because you're wasting money on your Google Ads campaigns by not tracking this stuff. I'm telling you, this is the first thing we do. We don't launch a campaign, and we've launched thousands of campaigns. We don't launch a single campaign without this information, and you're just wasting money and you're losing vital and important information. You're going to be able to log in to our expensive tracking software and see the calls and see the leads that you've gotten, see when they came in, and we're going to be able to integrate that back into your Google Ads campaign. And if you're not the person who answers your phone, you're going to get to listen to the people who answer your phone to see how they're doing, or listen to yourself, see how you're doing. Anyway, get it done. Stop wasting money. Solve the number one problem you have with call and lead tracking. $29 a month. It's going to be the best money you've ever spent. That's literally one click on Google Ads.